Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be my final video for my niece's butterfly themed birthday party. So I hope you enjoyed the last video, and this is where you're going to see everything all come together. Excuse the hot mess I am in. I was sweating. It was really hot this day and I was wearing sweats. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, so if you want to see how it all turned out, just keep on watching and remember to subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. I would greatly appreciate it. So let's get started. So in this video, I decided just to show you how I actually decorate tables, because this is like my third or fourth time and I really actually enjoy doing it. I might consider actually seeing if I could do this like as a side hobby, because I really enjoy doing this. Sometimes doing the treats are stressful, but hey, you know, gotta do what I gotta do. But anyways, I think the best idea when designing these type of tables is putting your cake stand right in the middle and working your design that way. And I have a bunch of little cake stands, different sizes. I also have some candy holders for the candies. I got all different shapes and sizes. Those are the tips I could give you. Also, a good tip is adding some pictures, any type of lettering for the person's first name or even their first, second, or last name. I think that's also a good idea. And also cute little signs and, you know, a bunch of DIYs that you guys see me do. Another tip is adding some cute decor pieces, because you just don't want it all just filled with candy, because sometimes it could be overwhelming to have so many things on the table. So that's why I am doing what I'm doing here, is just trying to feel it out to make sure it makes sense. Eventually you guys will see me switch even more things around, because the cake ended up being a lot bigger than expected, but that's why I put the cake right in the middle, because, you know, it's easy to adjust around it instead of like onto the side, and then you have to switch a lot of things around. But definitely start off with the cake in the middle. I think that's like the best tip I can offer you guys. And just rearrange everything until you think it looks really nice. We're going to add some candy in the candy jars, and then we're going to add my treats on top of the cake stands. And that's pretty much how I do things. I just eyeball it, just make sure everything is correctly placed, not correctly placed, but like nicely placed, doesn't look so clustered. Luckily I did a treat with the butterflies and the sweeties, so it kind of filled up some spaces. I thought it came out absolutely gorgeous. We did the garland in the back, but I did not film that because that was a stressful thing to do. I did just only end up just doing only filling up the balloons, but my niece's in-laws and my niece, we pretty much all did the garland. But it was, I'm telling you guys, that balloon garland was the struggle of the whole entire day. Another tip I could give you is doing a cute little banner right in front of the table candy treat, but we ended up just taping on. Well, I ended up just taping it on the actual table because the banner part kept falling and I was getting frustrated. So I was like, let me just tape it on. It still came out pretty cute. If you're doing a baby shower, another good idea would be having the stages of each month, like maybe a photograph of each month, because I know a lot of people will have like first month, second month, you know, as their belly grows. You could have that as like an idea for a banner. And then obviously you see here, my niece had my great niece. She's really my great niece. She had her newborn photos all the way to 12 months on these cute little banners. I'm going to ask her for that link below, because I believe she got that off of Amazon, as well as the balloon garland. I will have that link below. That's where she got it at. It was pretty affordable, and I was surprised how much it cost, but it was super cute and a great idea to add to a table candy treat area. So another idea you could do, instead of like that sign that says candy bar, you could also make like a candy bar treats menu, and you could have all the treats that you have on the table on the menu. I did that for my niece's baby shower, and I thought that was a pretty cool idea. That way nobody has any questions like, hey, which one's which, or you know, what's this and what's that. Everything was on that menu. I didn't do it this time because I ended up just making that candy bar, but I definitely could have added like a cute little menu, but I didn't want the table to be too much cluttered. So pretty much I will let you watch the rest of this video and you'll see how it all turned out. I think that's all the tips I could give you. If I do have any more tips, I will jump in. If not, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll let you keep watching. Actually, I just thought of another idea that I don't think I showed you in this video, but a great idea. Oh, yep, there it is. Like if you see it in the corner, there's treat bags. That's always a good idea to have on your table. I think I ended up putting it more towards the front, that way people could see it, so by the end of the night people could just grab a treat bag and add some treats in the bag to go. So that's another great idea to have when you have a candy table bar, is some treat bags so people could take home. Just thought another thing, I will eventually show you like little clear scoops, pretty cute ones I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I'm not really sure. Most of these products came either from Hobby Lobby or Amazon, and those scoops are a great idea, so that way nobody puts their fingers all up in the candy. They could just use the scoop, which is a lot better than having random hands up in there, especially now with COVID. Scoops is a way to go to scoop out the candies. Since I did mention that we were all wearing masks, I don't want people coming at me saying, why are you guys having a party? We were all wearing a mask, and all the tables were more than 6 feet apart. I made sure of that, but don't worry, we were all safe and doing the best we can with social distancing and wearing masks most of the time, which is hot as heck, guys, but we definitely were wearing masks. I don't want nobody to come at me. I just wanted to state that.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We'd never fall, could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again.